Amazon Security Lake automates the sourcing, aggregation, and data management of security data across your organization into a security data lake. Hi guys, this is Abi from GokceDB, and in this video, you're going to learn 6 things about the Amazon Security Lake in AWS. Let's get into it. Number 1, Amazon Security Lake automatically centralizes security data from AWS environments, on-premises, and cloud sources into a security data lake stored in your account. Number 2, Security Lake collects log and event data from cloud, on-premises, and custom data sources across accounts and regions. These logs are then stored in S3 buckets so you can retain complete control and ownership over your data. Number 3, within AWS, the Security Lake automatically collects logs for services such as CloudTrail, VPC, Route 53, S3, and Lambda. The security findings are collected through the AWS Security Hub for services such as AWS Config, Firewall Manager, AWS Health, and more. Number 4, Security Lake automatically normalizes AWS log and security findings to the Open Cybersecurity Schema Framework, which is a security industry open standard that reduces the complexity of transforming logs to perform security analytics. Number 5, Amazon Security Lake manages the lifecycle of your data with customizable retention settings and storage costs with automated storage tiering. The service automatically partitions and converts incoming security data to a storage and query efficient Apache Parquet format. Last but not the least, number 6, there are 2 modes of access available. Data access, which issues a notification when new objects are written to the data lake, and query access, which allows tools to query the data stored in your security data lake. In summary, Security Lake helps your security teams analyze data across multi-cloud and hybrid environments to improve the protection of your applications and workloads. There you have it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.